Good morning, students. Today's our topic is discount. Okay, so you maybe know about the discount means what? Whatever the printed price is given to us, the amount get reduced on that. You maybe have seen the posters outside the garment store that on the purchase of two clothes or two apparels you will get the discount of 50%, 20%, like that. So the today's topic is related with the same. The first of all, discount is always given on the market price. Okay, this is the very important thing. Second, selling price is always equals to the market price minus discount. Okay, whatever the market price is given, from that we have to minus the discount. Selling price is equals to market price minus discount. Or also we can find out the discount by market price minus selling price. Okay, then in case if discount is given to us in the percent form, we can find out the selling price by using the formula 100 minus discount upon 100 multiplied by market price. This is the same formula that we have learned in the previous exercise. Or also we can find out the market price when 100 upon 100 minus discount multiplied by selling price. So this D stands for discount percent, whatever the discount percent is given in the question. And marked price is also called as list price, printed price, etc. Okay. Now question number 1 we are solving from the exercise 8D. Question number 1. An article is marked at 1300 rupees, sold for rupees 1144. Okay, so that means in our question the marked price is given to us rupees 1300. Also in our question selling price is given to us rupees 1144, and our question is to find out the discount percent. Okay, so to find out the discount percent, first we need to find out the discount. So discount will be market price minus selling price. So here the market price is 1300 and selling price is 1144. Okay, then subtraction of these two things will gives us rupees 156. Rupees 156 is the discount. Okay, now let us find out the discount percent. So to find out the discount percent, the formula is discount upon market price multiplied by 100. So what is the value of discount given to us? It is 156. We can write here 156 upon market price. How much is the market price? 1300 and multiplied by 100. Okay, 0 will get cancelled, so it becomes 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So value of the discount percent is 12%. Got it? This is the answer for this question. Next, question number 3. The wristwatch is available at a discount of 9% if the list price of the watch is, in our question the list price of the watch is given to us. List price is rupees 1400 and discount percent is 9%. Find the discount given and also find the selling price. Okay, we need to find out discount and selling price. So first of all, it is given that the list price or we can also call it as the marked price. List price is rupees 1400. Then discount percent is 9%. Correct? Our question is to find out the discount. First we need to find out the discount. So to find out the discount is always given on the list price. So we can find out the discount by 9% of list price, that is 9% of 1400. Okay, so 9% of 1400 will be how much? First of all, let us cancel the 0 or we can also write it in this way: 9 upon 100 multiplied by 1400. 0 will get cancelled. 9 multiplied by 14. 9 multiplied by 14 is rupees 126. Rupees 126 is the discount. Okay. Now let us find out the selling price. So to find out the selling price, we have this formula: list price, or we can say the market price, minus discount. So what is the market price given in our question? 1400 minus discount is 126 rupees. Correct? So subtraction of these two values will become rupees 1274. This is the selling price, rupees 1274. Okay. Then next is question number 7. Remaining questions from 2, 4, 5, 6, you can do it as a homework. Okay, or I am putting that home questions in the assignment as well. Then question number 7 is here. An article is marked at rupees 2250. Means in our question, marked price is given to us. How much is the marked price given? Rupees 2250. Correct? Discount percent of given to us. Discount percent is how much? It is 12%. The dealer makes a profit of 10%. Profit percent of dealer is 10%. Find out the selling price of the article, and also we want to find out the cost price of the article. So let us find out the selling price first. So to find out the selling price, we have direct formula. And what is that direct formula? 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiplied by market price. Okay, this was the formula. So 100 minus discount percent is how much? 12% upon 100 multiplied by market price. Got it? So subtraction. First we will do the subtraction. It gives us 88 upon 100 multiplied by 2250. 0 will get cancelled. Correct? Then 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 44. So it is 44 multiplied by 45. So 44 multiplied by 45 is how much? It is rupees 1980. This is the selling price. Okay. Then also we want to find out the cost price of the article. by giving a profit of 10%. Okay, so it means on the selling price there is the profit of 10%. So let us solve this. CP of the article for a dealer. When profit percent is given to us. For the next question, selling price is rupees 1980. Profit percent is given to us is 10%. Okay. Now to find out the cost price, again we have the formula, that is 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiplied by SP. Got it? So it is 100 plus profit percent is how much, and selling price is 1980. Okay, so it becomes 100 upon 110 multiplied by, so 0 will get cancelled. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 eights are 88. So it becomes 100 multiplied by 18. Therefore the cost price is rupees 1800. Okay, 1800 is the cost price. Next.